In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit photos in Canva. First, open Canva and decide whether you want to start a new design or continue working on an existing one. Starting fresh is great when you know your final size, like an Instagram post or a presentation slide, while opening an existing project lets you drop a new photo into a layout you've already set up. On the left-hand side of the editor, click the Uploads tab. This is your hub for bringing images into your project. You can click Upload Files to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop an image right onto the canvas. If your photo lives in social media or cloud storage, use the import options to pull it in directly so everything stays in one place. Once your photo appears in the Uploads panel, click it to place it on your design. Select the image on your canvas, and at the top of the editor, click Edit Photo. This opens the editing controls you'll use to refine the look. Start with the Adjust tab. Here you'll find sliders for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Nudge brightness to lift dark images, use contrast to add definition, and adjust saturation to make colors pop or tone them down. Small, gradual changes usually work best and keep skin tones and landscapes looking natural. Next, explore the effects options. Filters give you quick, cohesive looks, while shadows and background blur can add depth or focus attention on your subject. You'll also see AI-powered tools, Magic Edit for changing or adding objects, Magic Eraser to remove small distractions, and Background Remover for instantly isolating your subject. Some of these may require Pro Plan, but they can save a lot of time and produce clean results. To change how your photo fits, double-click the image or use the Crop tool in the toolbar. Drag the edges to trim, reposition the subject within the frame, and aim for balanced composition, centering for portraits, or the rule of thirds for scenic shots. Cropping is a quick way to adapt the photo to square, portrait, or landscape layouts without distorting it. When your image looks right, enhance the design by adding elements. Drag in icons, text, stickers, or stock photos from Canva's media library. Keep your focal point clear, use alignment guides to keep things neat, and adjust transparency or layer order if elements overlap. Finally, click the Share button to export. Choose PNG for crisp graphics, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for print-friendly layouts. Set your quality options, then download or share directly to your connected social channels. Thanks for watching.